Is it time to buy or sell HIMS and HERS Health Class A stock? In this video, we will explore HIMS and HERS Health Class A in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 2nd of May, 2025, and now we aim to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to keep up with our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and access free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 29th of April, 2025, our system has identified HIMS and HERS Health Class A as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 4.76. Now, let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 16.5% since we initially designated HIMS and HERS Health Class A as a buy candidate 4 days ago. This equates to an average return of 4.12% per day since it was recognized as a buy candidate. The stock currently sits in the midst of a significantly wide and declining trend in the short term, indicating further decline within this trend. The existing trend over the past 3 months suggests a potential decrease of approximately 32.89% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 63.41% to negative 19.45%. In terms of the longer outlook, our analysis over the past 12 months indicates a projected change of around 45.68%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between negative 6.89% and positive 162.16% over the upcoming year. In current terms, this would place the future price within the range of $38.01 to $107.02. Our latest daily update for HIMS and HERS Health Class A includes the headline, High Volatility in HIMS and HERS Health Incorporated, Class A stock price on Friday, which ended trading at $40.82. The HIMS and HERS Health Incorporated, Class A stock price increased by 12.89% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 2nd of May, 2025, rising from $36.16 to $40.82. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 12.18%, with a low of $36.62 and a high of $41.08. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 49.91% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day, along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 8 million more shares were traded than the day before. Altogether, 49 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $2 billion and $1 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $72.98, and the lowest price was $11.20. Currently, the price is 44.07%, or $32.16, below the 52-week high of $72.98, which is also the all-time high for the stock. HIMS and HERS Health, known by the ticker HIMS, is currently experiencing a surge in stock performance following exciting developments in the telehealth and medtech sectors. As of the 2nd of May, 2025, reports indicate that strong demand for HIMS services and a growing subscriber base have positively influenced the company's first quarter results for 2025. This performance, combined with recent partnerships, particularly with Novo Nordisk, to offer the weight loss drug Wegovy, has catalyzed a 24% spike in HIMS stock price. The vertical integration of HIMS's healthcare platform has enhanced its scalability and efficiency, placing the company in a strong position for future growth. Innovations in artificial intelligence and peptide therapies further add to its market potential, while the partnership with Novo Nordisk strengthens customer relationships and revenue streams. In the short term, this favorable momentum could lead to increased investor confidence and higher stock prices, especially as the company prepares to announce first quarter earnings. However, potential risks remain, including regulatory challenges and reliance on third-party suppliers. Looking ahead, if HIMS can continue to execute strategically and navigate competitive pressures, particularly as market analysts have flagged some concerns regarding competition from larger firms. It could solidify its position and sustain long-term growth. This dual outlook suggests that HIMS may remain a stock to watch for both near-term traders and long-term investors seeking exposure in the evolving telehealth space. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 2nd of April, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned HIMS a sell grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 6th of March, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned HIMS a sell grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 25th of February, 2025, it was reported that Needham assigned HIMS a buy grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, it was reported that Canaccord Genuity assigned HIMS a buy grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 10th of January, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned HIMS a sell grade with a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned HIMS and HERS Health Class A stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio is also rated as strong sell. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have awarded the stock a rating of strong buy. The following signals have been identified for HIMS and HERS Health Class A. There are mostly positive signals in the chart today. The HIMS and HERS Health Incorporated Class A stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between these two signals, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of a downturn, there will be support from the lines at $32.83 and $30.64. A drop below either of these levels will generate sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, April 22, 2025, and since then, the stock has risen by 61.03%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is identified. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a strong technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 9 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 71 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal 3 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal 22 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for HIMS and HERS Health Class A. HIMS and HERS Health Incorporated Class A finds support from accumulated volume at $39.86. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock is subject to significant fluctuations during the day, indicating high volatility and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. It is regarded as high risk. In the last trading day, the stock experienced a movement of $4.46 between its high and low, representing 12.18%. Over the past week, the daily average volatility of the stock has been 12%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for HIMS and HERS Health Class A, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate significant growth in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 5th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 14 cents. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for HIMS and HERS Health Class A. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for HIMS and HERS Health Class A is at $41.34. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be prudent to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could present an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, HIMS and HERS Health Class A faces its first support level at $39.86. If this support level holds firm, it might serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for HIMS and HERS Health Class A from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 28th of April, 2025, Boughton Soleil executed an insider sale of 3,236 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Dudum Andrew conducted an insider sale of 41,667 shares of a stock option, which grants the right to buy. On the following day, Dudum Andrew executed another insider sale of 50,000 shares of a stock option. Also on the 29th of April, 2025, Dudum Andrew conducted an insider purchase of 50,000 shares of Class A common stock. Earlier on the 28th of April, Dudum Andrew purchased 41,667 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined the insider power to be negative with a ratio of negative 32.376. In summary, insiders acquired 840,563 shares while selling 1,648,378 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $39.40, reflecting a decline of 3.48%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, indicating a high level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 76, which substantially elevates this risk. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 8 days ago. Is HIMS and HERS Health Class A stock a good buy? Several short-term signals are positive, despite the stock being in a declining trend. We conclude that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for the stock to perform well in the short term. However, due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have adjusted our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a strong buy to a buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 5th of May, we expect HIMS and HERS Health Class A to open lower by $1.31, beginning trading at $39.51. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.